My name is Jesse Hart, and I live in the beautiful west end of Ramona, California. Precision General, I heard about them about 3 years ago, and I had them do my carport on the side of the house, and they did a beautiful job. I also had them do the text coat painting on the whole house, my outdoor kitchen and my RV garage, and they did a wonderful job. And since they did such a good job, I had them also do my windows, replace all my windows, and they also replaced my sliding door and my French door for both my master bedroom and my family room. But I heard about them, and when they came out and gave me a pricing, I figured they had some good references from other people, and I was very happy with the job that they did. And so they did a wonderful job. I would rate the craftsmanship as excellent. They did a wonderful job, and the finish work was fantastic. I had no complaints whatsoever. I would recommend Precision General to anyone that's doing additions or remodeling of any sort to your home. They knocked it out of the field. They did a wonderful job. I was very happy.